take you over, you just can't breathe.
Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we're doing this lovely blue and gold look. Starting off with our usual, a primed eyelid. We're going ahead with a fluffy brush and taking a light brown shade just to kind of give some definition to our crease before we do a sharp cut on that lovely crease. Next, taking white concealer on a small flat brush, I go ahead and begin to define the crease that I'd like to fill in with the blue and gold later on. Now, I was having a hard time staying in focus in this shot, but you can kind of see if you look towards the bottom of the image. I was finagling with it a little bit to make sure it matched the other side. It's important that it not only fits your eye shape well, but it also matches the other side, because you don't want to have lopsided eyes. That just isn't a good look. So once you have your outline in place and done finagling with it eventually, you want to take whatever white concealer is left, or regular concealer depending on what you're using, and you want to go ahead and drag that from your line that you just made and drag that towards the center so you get a nice uniform base. Now with a flat packing brush, I'm going ahead and taking my gold metallic shade and just kind of packing that on there, dipping back into the shade every once in a while just so I can get the good coverage that I need. But don't worry if it's not perfect, because we're going to cover it up here momentarily. It's really important to make sure you're delicate around the outline that you just drew with your concealer so that you don't mess it up and ruin the line that you just made. Now taking some metallic blue shadow from a blue palette that I just have on hand, I'm going ahead and doing pretty much the same thing with the gold, but this time taking the blue and shoving that in my outer corner, and again paying extra close attention to making sure that I'm not going over the line that I just made, so that way it doesn't get too messy. And this does take a little bit of time to kind of work in and make the two blend with each other, since they're not the friendliest together. Eyeliner time! Boom, look at that transition. Time for lashes. Well, here is the completed lovely look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, just stay tuned for future videos and looks. Bye!